Today on Packaged Food Gourmet, we're going to make a no-bake rainbow glass cheesecake that is beautiful and delicious. Let's go! It took some trial and error to get this cheesecake to turn out right, but the end result was worth the struggle. To begin, we need to make the rainbow glass center layers out of Jello. I started with the red on the bottom and refrigerated each layer for a couple hours before adding the next. The first time I tried to make this, it failed miserably. Mostly because I made the Jello according to the package instructions. Using 1 cup of water instead of 2 made it way more stable. Make sure the Jello is firm before moving on to the next step. While we wait for those Jello layers to set, it would be so appreciated if you could take a moment to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We post a new video every Thursday at 2 p.m. Pacific Time. You can also check us out on Instagram and TikTok. Once the Jello layers are firm, we can make the cheesecake base. On my first attempt, I tried a traditional no-bake cheesecake and it ended badly. Very badly. Yikes. For the second try, I went with a more panna cotta style to provide better structure and it worked way better. In a large bowl, combine 6 cups of boiling water with 40 grams of unflavored gelatin powder and stir. Set it aside. To a food processor or blender, add 1.5 packages of room temperature cream cheese, 2 cans of condensed milk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I used a light vanilla to avoid tinting the base color. Blend until the mixture is smooth with no lumps, then add it to the gelatin bowl and stir. Pour about 2 cups into a shallow dish, then chill it in the fridge and set the rest aside to cool. It's assembly time. I decided the best approach was to build this upside down like an entremet. First, cut out the base layer and add it to the bottom of a parchment-lined cake pan. Then, cut the rainbow Jello to the same size and place it on top. Pour in the gelatin and cream cheese mixture until it covers the Jello. Chill in the fridge until set. It should take 4 to 5 hours. The waiting time was dangerous for me because I decided to get creative and add to the cheesecake vibe by making a thin crust for the bottom out of butter and crushed up graham crackers. Not sure if I stand by that choice because it created some stability issues. It did add some nice texture to the dessert though, so if you want to try it, proceed with caution. Once the cake was set, I cut out the graham cracker base and put it on the bottom. Then came the terrifying task of getting the whole thing out of the pan, which actually wasn't as difficult as expected. Now for the moment of truth. Let's cut a slice. Boom! Look at that gorgeous glass-like rainbow layer. I am amazed that this worked, and I'm really curious to know how it tastes. Let's find out.
Hey.
Hey.
Welcome to my humble abode.
This looks fancy with all the colors.
Are you ready
I am ready.
to taste the rainbow?
Is it made out of Skittles?
No.
Okay.
That was a valid guess. Alright.
It reminds me of my childhood.
Yeah?
Yeah. The Jello.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
So, out of 10, how much?
Just for like presentation alone, I'd say 10 out of 10.
Woohoo!
For like flavor and taste, I mean it is Jello. I'd give it like a 7 or an 8.
Nice.
Pretty good.
Ooh. Alright, we'll take it.
Yeah, and I'll just be taking this.
I would love to know what you all think of this dessert, so please tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.